if I can. I don't, because I don't even have to. I'm still working.
Zab, who you got, man? Planet David.
Benavidez.
But why Benavidez, Zab?
Monster. I think, you know, Caleb Payne's a great fighter, great athlete, great person. But he's never seen that like this.
Are people sleeping on the skills of Benavidez, thinking he's just a come forward fighter, that kind of thing?
I think so. That happens all day, bro.
You think he stops him sooner than Canelo did, Zab?
Thank you very much.
Thanks, brother.
Take a picture?
Good question. I don't know. I can't go on that one. But I think that he's gonna stop him. Yeah.
You know your boxing, Zab.
Yeah.
What made you like him?
I need you to keep going, guys.
Say it again.
Plant fights a little bit more like you did, but so then
Let me give one real quick example.
Plant's got a little bit more of the Judah style. So what made you like Benavidez, Zab?
Thanks for the heads up.
Size, the size, the power,
Thanks.
just everything he got going for him right now. You know what I mean? It's different.
Can he be one of those fighters with a crazy offense?
Who?
Benavidez.
Of course, yeah. No, he got a crazy offense. Look at his size. He's a freak of nature. If you look at him. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Because people say he's pretty fast to be that big.
1, 2, 3.
His size, he should not be throwing punches like the way he put them together. And he put it together well, very swell.
You think he's going to take over Zab in these divisions?
100%, yeah.
Even Bevo and Better Be and Canelo.
Him and Bevo, I like Bevo. Bevo is my man. That's my guy. Let's go.
And Chris Colbert, Brooklyn's in the house too, right?
He's in the house all day. You know that.
Yep.
Shoot. Let's go. You know,
Big fan.
You know why we here.